and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing the second outside the box card using elements from the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin October 2021 kit. So for this one, I used this from the kit. I used the stamp from the kit and the snowflake stamp from the kit as well as this embellishment, and used one of the card bases. I used the Evergreen Forest 3D embossing folder and ran this through to get the texture. And I've used soft succulent to do the stamping. And I've got some soft succulent ribbon to do the greeting on the front. These ones are very, very simple, really quick to do, but very, very pretty. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the snowflakes in around the tree line at the top and just pop these in like this and then around like that. And I'm going to just pop a couple in at the top there. So that's got that done. Now I'm going to use adhesive to just add some to the back so that I can attach the ribbon. I'm just going to take the ribbon round so that it's straight like that and pop it in behind. And then we're going to adhere it to the front of the card and then just add the greeting and the ribbon. So we'll square this up, make sure it's straight, drop that down. Okay. So I used dimensionals on the back of the greeting, just like that. And then I used an adhesive dot on the back of the bow. So just going to make sure that this is centered and straight, press it down. And then I'm going to take an adhesive dot, put it on the back of the bow like this, and then just peel it away so that I can put this down at the bottom like this. And then I took one of the little gems that came with the kit and just popped it down in the corner like that. So there is our second outside the box card using elements from the October 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit. Stay tuned for more cards.